Hello people! In our previous videos, we have seen how to insert a shape. When you insert a shape, by default it will come in blue color. This is the default color. Try once. Here I am inserting a rounded rectangle. See, background color of our shape is blue. If you go to Format tab, by default you will have only these colors under Shape Styles. These all are default colors and styles. You can change this color. Suppose when I draw a shape, the default color should not be blue. How can we do this? Go to Page Layout tab. Click on these themes. Here you can see different themes. If you move your cursor on any one of these themes, you can observe the shape colors are changing. Even the row index and column index also will get changed. I am selecting this slice theme. See, the column and row index has been changed. Now, if you insert any shape, that will come in different color. See, the shape color is not blue. Here under Format, the default colors also got changed. Like this, you can customize the default color based on the theme. From these themes options, you can change colors, fonts and effects. We can take print of our data in Excel. To take a print, go to File tab, click on Print. Here you can select the printer. Right side you can see the current page print preview. Here you can change the printer settings. Once everything is done, you can click on Print. You can use shortcut key Ctrl+P. This sheet has lengthy data, but if you print this, it will come in multiple pages. But data will come in bits and pieces. To avoid that, we can select how much data should come in each page. We can change the paper margins as well. If you press Ctrl+P, you will get a dotted line like this. This denotes page margin. If you zoom out, you can see the entire worksheet like this. Here, each box denotes a page. Here, we have margin between I and J columns. We can change these margins. Go to Page Layout tab. Under Page Setup, click on the margins. Here, you can see 4 margin types. You can choose any one by clicking on this. If you need custom margins, click on this Custom Margins. Set the margin. Click OK. From this margin drop down, I am choosing narrow margin. See, the margin has been moved. By default, the printing will happen vertically on the page. Suppose if your page has lengthy data horizontally, then the printout should come horizontally in your page. To change this, go to Page Layout tab. Under Page Setup, click on the Orientation. Here you can choose Landscape. Now, if you zoom out, you can see the boxes aligned horizontally. In general, the page size will A4. You can change this by clicking on this Page Size drop-down. Here, you can choose other page types. If you want, you can customize the page size as well based on your physical paper. Next, here I have sales data. See, this entire table is under one page. If you print, this entire table will come in the printing. If you click Ctrl+P, see the print preview showing the same. I don't need entire table. I need only these 4 columns. How can I do that? First, select the data you need a print. Under this page setup, click on Print Area. Then click on Set Print Area. If you observe, there is a new light grey color line is appearing around our selection. This denotes print area. Now, if you see print preview, it will show only this area. See here, we are getting only our selected data. Like this, you can select the specific data and take print. You can clear this print area by clicking Clear Print Area from this Print Area drop-down. Next, we have Page Break option. Using this, we can split the page. Suppose I need the data only till this row 11. Post this, the data should come in next page. Select the cell in row 12. Now click on this Breaks drop down. From this drop down, click on Insert Page Break. Now see a grey color line has been added. If you see the print preview, see in the first page it is showing data till 11th row. From 12th row the data is appearing in next page. This worksheet has a white background. If you feel bored with this white background, you can get it changed. Under page setup, click on this background. Here you can choose the image you want as a background. I will search online image and set as a background. Click on this Bing. Search for images. Click on any of these images. I am selecting this. Then click Insert. See, the background has been changed. Please note that this background will not appear in printing. Here we have a header called This is a test print. I want to show this in each page as a page title. Go to Page Layout tab. Under this page setup, click on Print Tiles. A new window will be opened. Here choose the row where your headings are located. Then click OK. If you see the print preview, here you can see even the next page has this title. Note that the title will be applied only pages located below the page. Here we have few options under Scale to Fit. Using these options, we can adjust the print area size. Now we can see in a page the data is appearing till this column. If you see the print preview, the data till this cell will come. See, it looks like this. You can shrink this print range. Change this scale from 100 to 80. See, the margin has been moved to here. The data will be selected till this column. In print preview, see the printing area got shrink. If you reduce the scale further, the print area will get more shrink. Here in this grid, each cell has a light grey color border. All these are called grid lines. Normally in printout, this grid line, row, column index will not appear. If you want, you can get these as well in print. Go to Page Layout tab. Under Sheet Options, check this print box under Grid Lines and Headings. Now, if you see the print preview, our print will have row, column index and grid line. See here, it is appearing. In our previous videos, we have seen how to insert a shape, chart, text box, O-dot, etc. These are called objects. Normally, the first inserted object will appear behind the latest objects. We'll see this with example. I am inserting a shape. Like this, I have inserted 4 shapes. If you observe, the first inserted shape is behind all these shapes. You can bring this to front of all these shapes. First, select the shape. Go to Page Layout tab. Under Arrange, click on this Bring Forward. In this drop down, click on Bring to Front. See the shape in front of all these shapes. In this drop down, if you click on first option, it will bring the shape forward to next added shape. Here I have added fourth shape after third shape. Select third shape, then click on Bring Forward. See, the third shape is front of fourth shape. In the same way, you can send back any shape. Suppose I want this backside of all the shapes. Select the shape. Go to Page Layout tab. Under Arrange, click on this Send Backward. From drop down, click on Send to Back. See, now the shape is behind to all these shapes. We have these shapes here. When I resize any shape, it should fit exactly between cells. Here, the shape is middle of this cell. I don't want this. When I resize, this shape edge to be adjusted to near cell border. Select the shape. Under Arrange, click on this Align. Then from this drop down, click on Snap to Grid. Now if you try to resize the shape, it will allow to resize exactly aligning with cells. You can align the size based on other shapes as well. Here I have another shape. These shapes should align with this shape edge. Now if you try to resize, it will align to next cells. But the above shape's edge is middle of the cells. You can align this edge to the above shape's edge. Select the shape. Under Arrange, click on this Align. Then from this drop down, click on Snap to Shape. Now you can resize it based on the other shape. Using this, we can align multiple shapes in one line. So far, we have seen how to change default themes, page settings, print area settings, and aligning objects. That's all about this video. We'll see further concepts in our next videos. Any suggestions, please comment below.